Shen Guan, literally meaning kidney gate, is Dr. Tung's master kidney point, 77.18, regarded as one of the most powerful points for nourishing and regulating kidney energy. Its influence extends beyond the kidneys, also strengthening the spleen, enriching yin, and supporting the flow of qi throughout the system. The point connects the back shu, UB23, and the front mu, Renhuang, of the kidney, forming an internal energetic bridge. This profound connection between the root and the manifestation of kidney energy explains why Shen Guan is particularly effective in addressing states of kidney deficiency and all symptoms that accompany it. Because of its location along the spleen meridian, Shen Guan also carries a special resonance through the relationship between Foot Tai Yin, spleen, and Hand Tai Yang, small intestine. It is for this reason that Shen Guan is used in patterns involving the small intestine channel, such as trigeminal neuralgia, shoulder pain, and conditions affecting the arm. In particular, Shen Guan shows remarkable results in cases of frozen shoulder, especially when the arm cannot be lifted upward. This reflects the interplay between the spleen, Foot Tai Yin, and lung, Hand Tai Yin, channels that influence the front of the shoulder. In clinical practice, Shen Guan is usually needled on the opposite side of the affected shoulder. The Three EmperorsShen Guan, 77.18, is often used in conjunction with Dihuang, 77.19, and Renhuang. Together, they are known as the Three Emperors, three extraordinarily potent points along the spleen channel that deeply nourish the kidney essence. Because these points access both the spleen and the kidney, they support four crucial physiological systems: urinary, reproductive, gynecological, and digestive. The three emperors regulate both postnatal qi and prenatal qi, making them valuable for deficiency patterns involving exhaustion of these foundations. Clinically, they are frequently applied in the treatment of urinary bladder disorders, digestive system disorders, kidney failure, diabetes, gynecological issues, male conditions such as impotence or prostatic enlargement. Compared with the kidney passing points 88.09, 88.10, and 88.11, the three emperors act more strongly on gynecological, sexual, and neurological imbalances such as impotence, premature ejaculation, and proteinuria. Applications in clinical context. Premature ejaculation reflects a failure of the kidney gate to seal and store essence. Shen Guan corrects this by astringing Kidney Jing. In cases of impotence, use the three emperors with liver 1, LV1, as the liver meridian encircles the genital region. The liver stores blood and governs the tendons, influencing firmness and flexibility. LV1, being the Jing-Well point on the wood channel, opens sensory orifices, one of which, symbolically, is the penis. For kidney failure, combine the three emperors with Shui Xiang, 66.15. Dr. Tung's equivalent of kidney 3, located closer to the tendon, and Tian Huang, 88.13, a water point on an earth channel. Alternate between these two prescriptions, and avoid using more than 8 needles in total. Another supportive therapy involves salt and ginger moxibustion. Fill the navel with salt, place a thin, punctured slice of ginger over it, and burn moxa until the salt liquefies. This is traditionally known to restore urination in patients whose kidneys have ceased proper function. For diabetes, tonify both kidney and spleen by combining SP9, the water point on an earth channel, with Shen Guan. Alternatively, use the three emperors with Li 5, Yangtze, a fire point that disperses internal heat. To smooth qi movement, add Shui Xiang, 66.14, KD3, and TW4, complemented by LV3 to balance the liver. Here, the principle is metaphorical yet precise. When excess earth burdens water, one must plant a tree, the wood element, to stabilize the terrain. Mental and emotional regulation. Because most emotional and psychiatric conditions carry an element of kidney deficiency, Shen Guan also has powerful applications for disorders of the mind and spirit. It may be used to support cases of epilepsy, hysteria, psychosis, and other profound disturbances of Shen.